Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this brand new Tesla Model 3 in for a full wrap. It's going to be going from this stock white color to an Avery satin black. We've done one of these Model 3s in satin black before and it came out looking amazing. As you guys can see, we already got this Tesla already taken apart, the front bumper, headlights, the cameras on the side, the chrome trim on the window sills, already cleaned up, washed everything. We probably won't be wrapping this today, but we'll probably start it tomorrow morning just because we did wash it, so there might be some water kind of like stuck in those cracks and crevices, and we want the vinyl to stick all the way. So check it out as we go along.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, quick update on the Tesla. We got the front end done. We got everything cut out. We got Rudy and Tatum working on the front doors. Behind me we have Hazefa working on the inlay on the front bumper piece. And then Mohammed's in the back working on the trunk. So it's all coming along fairly nicely. We should have both sides done by today, hopefully. And then tomorrow, depending on our work schedule, we'll be able to knock out the rest of it. Alright guys, quick little progress update. We are done for the day. We pretty much finished the full front half. We got that all put back together. We finished the passenger side, except for like the mirror. We'll do that probably later tomorrow or the day after. Driver's side, we're pretty much done as well. Just have the quarter panel, and then the rear bumper and the trunk. We got the lower half of the trunk done. Just got to do that top piece, as you guys can see. So pretty good for today. Alright guys, so the Tesla's all finished. It's all wrapped, all put back together. As you guys can see, it looks really clean. That satin black looks really slick. I'm gonna pull it out here in just a few seconds. So there you guys have it. That's a wrap on the Tesla Model 3. The satin black looks absolutely amazing. Personally, it's one of my favorite colors. It looks good just on about any and every single car out there. And like always, make sure to comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.